So first start with miscellaneous 56. The average weight of male students of a class is 58 kg and that of female students 42 kg. Average weight of all the students in the class 54 kg. If the number of female students are 16 lesser than male students, what is the total number of students? Apply allegation method. What is the male average? Female average? మాట్లాడాలి. Entire class average 58 minus 54, 54 minus 42, and a male and female are in the ratio of females are how much lesser than a male in terms of parts? 2 parts value 16. Total students are double or not? How much? That's your answer. Next, G1 invested 8,400 in scheme A, which offers compound interest compounded annually at 20% per annum for 2 years. He invested equal amount in scheme B, which offers a simple interest at certain rate of interest for the same period of time. If the total interest earned by him from both the schemes 5,880, what is the rate of interest in scheme B? What is the total interest? 5,880 and a sum of 8,400. So let us calculate 5,880 is what percent of 8,400? 2 zeros, 2 zeros. 84 exactly 7 times. And the overall interest how much percent? మాట్లాడాలి. In that 70%, per annum 20% means 2 years compound interest 40 and the remaining 20, that is the simple interest. For how many years? 2 years 26 means per year. That's your answer. Rate of interest in scheme B is 13% per annum. Next, see. The population of state A 1,44,760 rupees. The total number of female in state A is 20% more than male in the same state. Female ఏమన్నారు? 20% more than male. Suppose if males are 100, female are 120%. 100 plus 120. Total 220% value they given as 1,44,760. If the number of illiterate female is 25% of total females are 120. అందులో 25% means 1/4 or not? 1/4 of 120, 30% illiterate. Number of illiterate males are 32% of total male. Total male 100 లో 32 means what is the total number of illiterate population? 32 plus 30, 62% is how much we need to calculate. 62% is how much? 22 10 times 22 6 times 132, remaining 127. 22 5 times 110, remaining 176. 22 8 times. 5 2 times 5 1 3 1 6. 2 how many times 62? మాట్లాడాలి. 31 times. So 13 16 into 31. Answer ends with మాట్లాడాలమ్మా. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. టూ 31 times 62 అండి. సో 13 16కి 31 times. లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ వెరిఫికేషన్ ద్వారా ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. నెక్స్ట్ A, B and C started a business by investing 16,800, 25,200, 19,600 respectively. All of them invested for equal period of time. C's share of annual profit was 7,385. What was the total annual profit? A investment 16,800. B investment 25,200. C investment 2 zeros 2 zeros 2 zeros. 12 14 times 12 21 times 12 18 times. 12 18 times కాదు, 12తో క్యాన్సిల్ అవ్వట్లేదమ్మా. 12 1s are 12 76 అవుతుందా అండి? ప్లీజ్ రెస్పాండ్. 14తో క్యాన్సిల్ చేద్దాం. 14 how many times? 12 times 14 18 times 14 14 times 14 times 2 2 మాట్లాడాలి. 2 7 times. Share of C 7 bars value given 7385. Yes or no? అంటే 1 part value 7 1s are 7 0 7 5s are 7 5. టోటల్ ప్రాఫిట్ ఏమా అంటే ఆన్సర్ 11 మల్టిపుల్ అవ్వాలా లేదా? 22 పార్ట్స్ అన్నప్పుడు 11 మల్టిపుల్ అవ్వాలి. ఆప్షన్స్ చాలా ఉన్నాయి. 22 into 1000 22,000 ఆర్ నాట్? 22 into 55 అండి. 22 50 times 1100, 5 times 110 అంటే 1210. 22,000 plus 1210 23,000. మాట్లాడాలి. ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. 23,210 ఈజ్ ది ఆన్సర్. Yes or no? Next. L has to travel certain distance. If he travels at a speed of 32 kilometers per hour, he covers the distance in 1 hour 45 minutes less than when he travels at 25 kilometers per hour. What will be the time taken by L to cover the same distance at 40 kilometers per hour? Speeds చెప్పండి. 32 25 మాట్లాడాలి. These are the speeds. Time ratio. Speed ratio, time ratio both are in inversely proportional to each other. LCM 800 32 25 times 25 32 times 40 20 times. LCM ఎంతమ్మా? 800 అండి, 32 25 టైమ్స్ 25 32 టైమ్స్ 40 20 టైమ్స్ అంటే టైం రేషియో 25:32:20. It takes how much less time అండి? 1 hour 45 minutes while traveling with 32 kmph. It takes 1 hour 45 minutes lesser than 25 kmph. Difference how many parts? 7 parts value. 1 hour 45 minutes. Convert into minutes. 1 hour 60 plus 45. Emma. 7 parts value 105. And 1 part. Respond. They are asked to find when it travels at 40 kilometers per hour, how much time it takes. 40 kmph అంటే 20 parts kada. What is 1 part? 15 minutes. 20 parts. Emma. 300 minutes means how many hours? Respond. That's your answer. At 40 kmph time is 20 parts అండి, అంటే which is 300 minutes, nothing but 5 hours. Speed ratio, time ratio both are in inversely proportional to each other. Next, there was 60 liters of pure milk in a vessel. 18 liters of the pure milk was taken out and replaced with equal amount of water. Again 24 liters of the mixture was taken out, replaced with equal amount of water. What is the water in the vessel now? What is initial quantity? How many liters were taken out? And the remaining 42 liters. Again water how much? 42 liters pure milk, water quantity 18. And they are in the ratio of 7:3. 6 sevens are 42, 6 threes are 18. From this again we are withdrawing how many liters? Those 24 liters were drawn in the ratio of 7 plus 3. 10 parts value 24. 1 part 2.3 parts 3 parts 7.2 liters of water we are withdrawing. 18 minus 7.2 అంటే 10 plus replaced with equal amount of water or not? Plus 24. 24 plus 10.8. Response please. That's your answer. We need only water quantity, so no need of bothering about milk. Milk తో మనకు పని లేదు, ఓన్లీ వాటర్. ఆ 24 లీటర్స్లో వాటర్ 7.2 బయటికి తీస్తాం, మళ్ళీ 24 యాడ్ చేస్తాం, అంటే టోటల్ వాటర్ క్వాంటిటీ 34.8. ఎస్ ఆర్ నో? Respective ratio of the values of A and B 9:13. If the value of A increased by 25%, value of B decreased by 50%. The ratio between values of A and B became 45:26. What is the value of A? In the entire question, do you have any value? మాట్లాడాలి. Initially ratio, final also ratio, in between percentages. Anywhere you have values, but they are expecting answer in values. Answer ఏంటి? Cannot be determined. ఎక్కడా కూడా వాల్యూస్ గురించి మాట్లాడలేదు, బట్ ఆన్సర్ మాత్రం వాల్యూస్లో కావాలట, which is not possible. Cannot be determined. Mr. Sharma distributed his savings among his wife and 2 children. 35% of the total amount he gave to his wife. Wife కి ఎంత ఇచ్చారమ్మా? అంటే మిగిలింది. The remaining amount he divided among his son and daughter in the ratio of 6:7. Remaining how much portion? 60. That they divided in the ratio of 6:7. 6 plus 7. 13 how many times? 6 5s, 7 5s. And the son gets 30%, daughter gets 35%. If daughter gets 7,100 more than son కంటే డాటర్కి ఎంత పర్సెంట్ ఎక్స్ట్రా? That 5% value 7,100. What was the amount of savings? Mr. Sharma means 100%. What is 5%? 10%? మాట్లాడాలమ్మా. 14,200 అంటే 100%. 1,42,000. That's your answer. Next. Suresh invested 3,850 rupees in scheme X, which offers simple interest at 18% per annum for the first 3 years. The resultant amount he invested in scheme Y, which offers simple interest rate of 25% per annum for 2 years. What is the interest that Suresh got from scheme Y? 3,850 rupees లో ఫస్ట్ ఆఫ్ ఆల్ 18% ఏంటో కనుక్కుందాం. 18% means 20% minus 2%. 10%, 380, 20%, 7. మాట్లాడాలి. అందులో 2% వాల్యూ 77. హౌ మచ్? ఏమ్మా? 693 rupees is the interest for 1 year. బట్ అక్కడ ఎన్ని ఇయర్స్ అన్నారు? Response please. So into 3. 3 3s are 9. 3 9s are 27. 18 plus 2 20. That is the interest. Amount means principal plus interest or not? 3,850 plus 2079. 38 to 20 means 58. 79 50 means 129. ఎంతమ్మా? 5929. ఏంటది? అమౌంట్ రిసీవ్డ్. ఇప్పుడు ఆ అమౌంట్ని మళ్ళీ అనదర్ స్కీమ్లో ఇన్వెస్ట్ చేశారు. విచ్ ఆఫర్స్ 25% per annum for how many years? 1 yearకి 25% అంటే 2 yearsకి? రెస్పాన్స్ 50% ఈజ్ ది ఆన్సర్. 50% అంటే హాఫా కాదా? 5929లో హాఫ్ 2964.5. ఏ ఆప్షన్? ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. 1 yearకి 693 rupees ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అమ్మా. 3 yearsకి 2079. అమౌంట్ మీన్స్ ప్రిన్సిపల్ ప్లస్ ఇంట్రెస్ట్. ఆ టోటల్ అమౌంట్ని ఇంకో స్కీమ్లో 25% per annum, 2 yearsకి 50% ఇంట్రెస్ట్ అంటే హాఫా కాదా? సో ఆన్సర్ ఈజ్ ఫస్ట్ ఆప్షన్. నెక్స్ట్. The areas of a square and a rectangle are equal. అంటే ఏం రాస్తాం? A square equal to length into breadth. If the length of the rectangle is 20 meters more than side of the square, ఏం రాస్తారు? A plus 20. And breadth is 12 meters lesser than side of the square, A minus 12. What is the perimeter of the rectangle? A square equal to L ప్లేస్లో, B ప్లేస్లో A square equal to A into A plus 20a minus 12a minus 96. A square is square cancel or not? Sorry, 240 amma. 12 20 times how much? What is 12 20a minus 12a? Emma? 8a value 240. A value 30. అప్పుడు length is ఏమా breadth is perimeter means 2 of L plus B. 50 plus 18 response 68 2 times మాట్లాడాలమ్మా. That's your answer. 68 2 times 136. Next, DI. Refer to the pie chart and answer the given questions. Percentage of tickets sold by different theatres on Monday. Total number of tickets sold on Monday 750 అన్నారు. A, B, C, D, E. 42% అండి. 750లో 10%. డబల్ అంటే 40% వాల్యూ 300. 2% 15 కాదా? 315. 12%. 10% ఏమా 2%. 75 plus 15. 8 అంటే 10% minus 2 కాదా? 75 minus 15 అమ్మా 18 అంటే 20% minus 2%. 20% minus 15. సో 20% 50. ఏ రోజు? మండే రోజు. ఇప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్స్ చూద్దాం. దాని Monday how much? 315. 35 more means 350. Number of tickets sold by theatre E on 25 more than on Monday. Monday enta E 25 more means asked to find the ratio of A and E on Tuesday. 175 2 times on the answer. That's it. 2:1 is the answer. If the total number of tickets sold by all the theatres together on Monday was 20% more than on Sunday, what was the tickets sold on Sunday? 20% more ante 120% value 750. 100% is how much? 12 10 times 12 6 are 72. 30. 12 2s are 24.5. 10% value 62.5 means 100%. That's your answer. On Sunday it was 625. Central angle corresponding to the number of tickets sold by theatre B అన్నారు. B how much percent? ఏమా what is 1% value? 3.6 degree. 12% అంటే 12 into 3.6. 12 3 times 36. 12 6 times పాయింట్ ఉంది కాబట్టి 7.2. 36 plus 7.2 43.2 degree is your answer. Next, out of the number of tickets sold by theatre A, 4/15 were purchased by female, and out of the number of tickets sold by theatre D, 3/5 were purchased by female. What was the total number of tickets purchased by female from A and D? A లో 4/15 అట, D లో 3/5. 15 21 times ఆర్ నా 21 4s మాట్లాడాలి. 5 27 times, 27 3s ఏమా 84 plus 81 160. That's your answer. What is the difference between the total number of tickets sold by B and D together, C and E together? B and D, C and E. BD means 225. C and E ఎంత డిఫరెన్స్ అమ్మా 15 యువర్ ఆన్సర్. సింప్లిఫికేషన్స్. 512 into 2 square root of 6400 అమ్మా x by 5. 8 64 times 8 10 times 2 5 5 x equal to 64 your answer. ఈ రెండు యాడ్ చేద్దాం. 153 plus 327 4 divided by 24 how many times 5 మాట్లాడాలి 4 your answer. 2 power something అడిగారు. 16 means whole cube by 2 power 4. 8 means whole square. 2 power 12 into 2 power 6 by 2 power 4. 12 plus 6 ఏమా 18 minus 4 14 రావాలి అంటే 10 plus how much? Respond 4 your answer. In place of question mark 4 will come. Square root of 196 4900 answer. Toughest question. 900 by 30 ఏమా 40% fractional value 2 by 600. 32s 60 10 times 10 5s 50 your answer. లాస్ట్ 2 digit వెరిఫికేషన్ చేద్దాం. 48 plus 16 60 రైట్ సైడ్ మూవ్ చేస్తే -64 కాదా? 100 minus 64 ఆన్సర్ ఎన్స్ విత్ 36. ఏ ఆప్షన్? 4th ఆప్షన్ యువర్ ఆన్సర్. Six 2 times or not? 1.2 into 2 2 point plus 24.6 27 is the cube of Emma 3 your answer. (51 square) 2601. 22 square 3085. ఆన్సర్ ఏంటమ్మా 3085. లాస్ట్ డెసిమల్ సైడ్ చేద్దాం. 0.48 0.28 76 అనుకోండి. 76 36 112 అంటే ఆన్సర్ ఎన్స్ విత్ 0.12. ఏ ఆప్షన్? థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. 0.12తో ఎండ్ అవ్వాలి. థర్డ్ ఆప్షన్. 2100 టైమ్స్ ఆర్ నాట్? 1575 అనేది 2100లో ఎంత పర్సెంటో చెప్పండి అన్నారు. 21 7s 147. 105 means 21 5 times. ఆన్సర్ ఏంటి? 75 యువర్ ఆన్సర్. Quadratic. 221 means ఇనీషియల్గా 11 -11 -11 -22 ఫైనల్గా +11. y square value 121 means y value plus or minus equal greater than. Answer greater than or equal to y. 324 times 9 8 times by 3. 9 by 3 అంటే 8 by 3. 4 14s 7 8 times by 4. 8 by 4 means 3 is greater than 7 by 4, but 3 is greater than 2. 32 21 greater than 8 and 6 also greater than. Answer x is greater than y. 3 15s 9 by plus or minus 9 by 3 అంటే -3 -5 by 3. 6 12s 9 by 6 మైనసా కాదా? -3 by 2 -4 by 3. -6 -3 అంటే లెస్ దాన్. -9 -4 అన్నా కూడా లెస్ దాన్. -10 -9 లెస్ దాన్. -15 -12 లెస్ దాన్. ఆన్సర్ x is less than y. ఎగ్జామ్ రాసే వస్తున్నారా? రాయకపోతే ఎలా చేయంగా. 3 12s 9 4s మాట్లాడాలి. ప్లసా మైనసా? బై 3. -9 by 3 means -4 by 3. 227 times 54 9 6 times by 2 minus -6 by 2 అంటే -6 -9 greater than. -3 -3 equal. -8 -27 greater than. -4 -9 greater than. Answer x is greater than or equal to y. Two 14s 7 4s 28. Plus or minus coefficient రాయాలా? Because both are having same. 2 33s 11 6 -11. -7 is greater than -11 but less than -6. Answer no relation is the answer. Yes or no? Thank you.